If you've been searching for a simple yet powerful way to manifest your desires, then this cinnamon ritual might be just what you need. Cinnamon has long been used in spiritual and traditional practices for its ability to attract abundance, prosperity, and positive energy. With the right focus and intention, this easy practice can help you unlock the power of manifestation and draw what you truly desire into your life. Let's explore how placing cinnamon in a specific spot can help you get everything you want and create lasting, positive changes in your life. The power of cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a spice, it is a symbol of abundance, warmth, and positive energy. It has been used for centuries in cultures around the world for its energetic properties, which include attraction, prosperity, and protection. Cinnamon's sweet scent and vibrant energy are believed to uplift the atmosphere of any space, creating an environment that is primed for manifesting desires. Whether you want to attract more wealth, find love, or improve your health, cinnamon can be a powerful ally in your journey. The key to working with cinnamon is intention. When used with the right mindset, cinnamon acts as an amplifier, strengthening your manifestations and helping you align with your deepest desires. It is a spice that embodies both warmth and passion, and when you incorporate it into your rituals, you are essentially adding an extra boost of positive energy to whatever you wish to manifest. Cinnamon's strong connection to prosperity makes it an essential ingredient for rituals that involve financial growth, abundance, and personal transformation. Cinnamon is also known for its protective qualities. It creates a barrier against negative energies and helps to maintain a space that is energetically clean and welcoming. By placing cinnamon in specific locations, you can transform your environment into one that supports your highest aspirations. It can help you clear away old, stagnant energies and make room for new opportunities and blessings to flow into your life. When used consistently, cinnamon can help you create a foundation of positive energy that fuels your journey towards achieving everything you want. Cinnamon's use in manifestation rituals extends beyond attracting wealth. It also helps in fostering harmonious relationships, improving creativity, and boosting overall well-being. Its aromatic properties help stimulate the senses, making it easier for you to connect deeply with your intentions. When you actively use cinnamon, you are inviting warmth, vibrancy, and abundance to flow into every aspect of your life, allowing for more balanced and fulfilling experiences. How to perform the cinnamon ritual. Here's how you can use cinnamon to manifest everything you want. 1. Gather your ingredients. You will need ground cinnamon or a cinnamon stick, as well as a small container or pouch to hold it. Make sure the cinnamon is fresh, as its energy is strongest when it is aromatic and full of life. You can also use a small bowl or even a decorative dish to place the cinnamon, depending on where you intend to use it. Fresh cinnamon symbolizes vitality and strength, and having a designated container helps keep the energy focused and concentrated. The more vibrant and aromatic the cinnamon, the more potent its energetic properties, so make sure to choose high-quality cinnamon for the best results. 2. Set your intention. Before you start, take a moment to focus on what you truly want to manifest. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to connect with your desire. Visualize it clearly. See it, feel it, and believe it as if it has already happened. The stronger your intention, the more effective this ritual will be. You can also write down your intention on a piece of paper and place it near the cinnamon to keep your focus on your goal. Be specific about what you want, whether it's financial freedom, better relationships, or improved health. The clearer your vision, the more likely you are to bring it into reality. Visualization is a key part of this ritual. Imagine yourself living the life you desire, surrounded by abundance, joy, and success. This mental practice helps to reinforce your intention and makes it feel more real, which in turn attracts it to you more quickly. 3. Place the cinnamon. The best place to put the cinnamon is near the entrance of your home or in a spot where you often handle your finances, such as on your desk or near your wallet. Placing cinnamon near the entrance will invite positive energy and abundance into your home, acting as a beacon for good fortune. If you want to focus specifically on financial growth, you can also sprinkle a bit of cinnamon near your wallet or purse, symbolizing an open flow of wealth. The entrance of your home is where energy flows in and out, and placing cinnamon there helps create a welcoming environment that is open to abundance. By aligning cinnamon with your financial area, you are inviting prosperity directly into your life. If your intention is related to relationships or personal growth, place the cinnamon in your bedroom or a space where you spend a lot of time nurturing yourself. The placement of the cinnamon should align with your desired outcome, ensuring the energy of abundance touches the area of your life where you want to see change. 4. Say your affirmation. As you place the cinnamon, speak an affirmation aloud. You can say something like, "I am open to receiving abundance and prosperity. My desires are coming to me effortlessly." Speaking your affirmation helps to amplify the energy of your intention and tells the universe that you are ready to receive. You can also use an affirmation that is specific to your goal, such as, "Love flows into my life easily," or "I am open to receiving things as they appear." The words you use should resonate with your intention and help you feel empowered. Affirmations are powerful because they reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your goals and strengthening your belief that you deserve what you are asking for. By repeating your affirmation daily, you are not only reinforcing your intention but also cultivating an attitude of gratitude and openness that will help you receive all the good things coming your way. Repeating affirmations with emotion and conviction sends a strong message to the universe, reinforcing your commitment to achieving your goals. 5. Leave the cinnamon undisturbed. Once you have placed the cinnamon, leave it undisturbed for at least a week. Allow it to work its magic, inviting positive energy into your space and aligning your environment with your desires. Each time you pass by the cinnamon, take a moment to reaffirm your intention and visualize your desire coming to fruition. Picture your goals materializing in your life and feel the emotions associated with achieving them. This simple ritual helps keep your mind focused on your goals and strengthens your connection to the energy of manifestation. The more you engage with your intention, the stronger it becomes, and the more likely you are to attract what you want. It's important to stay patient during this process. Trust that the universe is aligning circumstances in your favor. The cinnamon serves as a physical reminder of your goal, helping you stay focused and energetically aligned with your desire, even on days when things may feel challenging. Why this works? This cinnamon ritual works because it combines the power of intention, symbolism, and action. Cinnamon is known for its ability to amplify energy, and by placing it in a strategic location, you are focusing positive energy on a specific area of your life. The entrance of your home is where energy flows in and out, making it the perfect spot to invite new opportunities and abundance. By setting a strong intention and using a symbol like cinnamon, you are creating a powerful tool for manifestation. In addition to its energetic properties, cinnamon also works on a psychological level. When you take physical action towards manifesting your desires, like placing cinnamon with a clear intention, you are sending a signal to your subconscious mind that you are ready to receive. This positive shift in mindset helps to align your thoughts and actions with what you want to achieve. The ritual serves as a daily reminder of your goals, helping you stay focused and motivated. The act of placing cinnamon is symbolic, but it also acts as a trigger for your subconscious, reminding you of your goals every time you see or smell the cinnamon. Performing a ritual like this also helps break the cycle of negative thinking. When you actively engage in a practice that promotes positive change, you shift your mindset from lack and worry to one of empowerment and possibility. Cinnamon is a tool that helps you channel your energy in a productive direction, opening up new doors for success and abundance. Boosting the ritual with additional elements. If you want to make this cinnamon ritual even more powerful, consider combining it with other manifestation techniques. Here are a few additional elements you can add. Crystals. Place a citrine or clear quartz crystal near the cinnamon to enhance the energy of abundance and clarity. Citrine is known as the merchant's stone and is often used to attract wealth, while clear quartz can amplify your intentions. Crystals have their own unique energy that can support your manifestation efforts. By placing them near the cinnamon, you are adding an extra layer of energetic support to your ritual, helping to amplify your intentions and create a powerful magnetic field for attracting abundance. Crystals such as green aventurine or pyrite can also be used if you want to specifically focus on financial growth. Candles. Light a candle while performing the ritual. The element of fire represents transformation, and lighting a candle can help to ignite your intention and send it out into the universe. Choose a candle color that aligns with your desire. Green for prosperity, pink for love, or white for clarity. Fire is a powerful element that symbolizes creation and transformation, and lighting a candle adds a dynamic aspect to your ritual, helping to accelerate the manifestation process. Watching the flame can help you focus your thoughts and let go of any doubts that may be hindering your progress. The warmth of the flame also symbolizes the passion and dedication you have towards achieving your goals. Essential oils. Use essential oils such as orange or clove to anoint the area where you place the cinnamon. These oils have properties that attract abundance and prosperity, adding an extra layer of positive energy to your ritual. The scents of these oils also help to raise your vibration and create an atmosphere that is conducive to manifesting your desires. You can dab a few drops on the pouch or container holding the cinnamon, or use a diffuser to fill the room with uplifting fragrances. Fragrance has the ability to influence emotions and thoughts, helping you stay in a positive and receptive state. Visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your desire as if it has already come true. Visualization is a powerful manifestation tool that works hand in hand with the cinnamon ritual. The more vividly you can imagine your goal, the more real it becomes, and the stronger the pull you create to bring it into your reality. When you visualize while interacting with the cinnamon, you are merging physical action with mental focus, which greatly enhances your manifestation power. Visualizing with emotion helps to create a stronger vibrational match between your current energy and the energy of your desire. Final thoughts. Manifesting your desires doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest rituals are the most effective, especially when performed with focus, intention, and belief. By using cinnamon in this way, you are inviting abundance, prosperity, and positivity into your life. Remember, the key to successful manifestation is not only performing the ritual, but also genuinely believing that you are worthy of receiving what you desire. Consistency and belief are what make the difference. If you're ready to attract everything you want, give this cinnamon ritual a try and see the magic unfold. Remember, consistency and belief are crucial. Revisit your intention regularly and keep your energy aligned with your desires. Trust the process and watch as the universe brings opportunities and blessings your way. It is essential to remain open to receiving and to take inspired action when opportunities present themselves. In addition to using cinnamon, consider combining this ritual with other positive practices like affirmations, gratitude journaling, and meditating on abundance. These complementary practices will help you maintain a high vibration and align your entire being with the energy of prosperity. With a positive mindset, consistent action, and the magic of cinnamon, you can manifest the life of your dreams. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor, and know that you are worthy of every good thing coming your way. May your journey be filled with warmth, abundance, and endless opportunities for growth and joy.